Who is here? Ankit, Vipul, and Nikhil is with me. So just now my COVID test has done. So got negative in that. I think I also like you can see this clip from there. So successfully, it's negative. No one got. Here is Vishnu. Hi, Vishnu.
Hey, hi.
So hopefully, like no one till now, like they have checked 91 people's test. No one got positive.
All will be negative. All will be
All
negative.
will be negative. So after the checkup there, I came to mess. So Ashish and Prajalita went to director for a meet. Soon we are planning something different for as part of NSS. It's kind of offline event to the nearby adopted village. So if that meeting goes well, soon we may going to have that meet. I mean have that event from NSS. So I will also try to cover that. Now I'm waiting for Ashish and Prajalita to come so that we can go to mess and have a lunch. And happy that I'm negative. Even though like I roamed like anything, still at the end the test has the result is negative. I'm really happy for that, and I hope everyone in the campus who has come in the phase 2 should should be negative in that result. In that case, we can stay in the campus safely. So hope so. So chalo guys, done with the fresh up, and today is a high, like I walked really long, almost 9,000 steps, and now we are having a small meetup with my biotech mates. So till from the time we entered the biotechnology department, so usually we enter it in the second year, right? So it was totally lockdown and it was totally online semester, and we didn't got a chance to meet each one of us. Like we met some of the other time like single one-on-one, but we wanted to meet in a group, so those who are present in the campus, so today we arranged a meet, and followed by like kind of some time for chit chatting and taking a group photo, and then followed by going for dinner. So this is what the plan is, actual plan is, and let's see what all the changes going to happen in the for this plan. And one more thing is like I updated my laptop to Windows 11, and really love with that particular interface which changed after upgrading to Windows 11. And performance wise till now I didn't face anything. So if I face any issues in the performance wise, I will surely let you know guys. And if possible, like if you are okay with my opinion on the performance and everything, after 2 to 3 days I will like you can, if you want, you can also upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. And still what else, yeah, I will show you all my mates of biotechnology today. So third year, so we are third year, right? So third year people are those who are in the campus are going to meet now. So chalo then, time is exactly like according to the plan we have to meet at 5:30. Now it's 5:20. So in 10 minutes I can reach near the department. So let's go. Just see the time, 5:27, and here is the department. Time bole the time, whatever may be. So I'm on time. Let's see who are all going to come first and who is going to come at last. So this is the department, and here goes the lawn of biotechnology and metallurgy chemical lawn. So basically I am on time. So let's see who else are going to come fast and who is going to come at the last. I will show each one of them in this particular vlog for sure. He was here in campus tour video, and here goes Nikhil Pal. So yeah, basically like I went on a t-shirt and night pant, right? I thought like it would be fine, but after going there, everyone gave their presence in like very good dresses, not the night dress and regular wear. So that is why I thought I should also change my dress, and I came home and I changed my dress, and so this is how I dressed myself now. So just lift has come now. Let me just go there and meet all of అరే వాడు లేపేశాడా? ఓ సూపర్. Basically done with the classes, unacademy class. Its time is now 12:10. So Yeshu means not that girl who ragged me yesterday. So Yeshwant Roy. So the one fellow who came to Pondicherry trip, and here is Deva. So going to 1.8k. So of course we are not going to sleep there, but we have a canteen there. I think those who watched the campus tour video, in that video I have shown you about the Amul, right? Exactly, the Amul center, center is there, snack center. So it has all the products from Amul, as well as like snacks like sandwich, bread omelette, and burger. These kind of snacks will be there. So to have that snacks, we are going there now. Ashish is very busy with his works, so he said he will not come. He wants me to bring some snacks for him. So that's what the task is. So it's almost reaching 1.8k. So this is 1.8k. Actually, I'm on unacademy t-shirts till I didn't change my t-shirt too. So this is inside our 1.8k, and here goes our Amul. Hi Reshu. Here is our Amul. Basically, in the last vlog I said, right, we are going for a village visit, right, on Saturday. So for that, today we are going to the same village, so that we can just have a look at the surroundings over there, and we can plan our events there, where to plan, and from where to where we have to do rally and all. We can fix everything. So that is the plan for the day, and me and Ashish, along with our faculty advisors, Shivakumar sir and Uday Kumar sir. So we are going to that particular village in a car now. So actually sir asked us to come at 2 o'clock. It's already 2:15. Ashish, hi Chepra. So now we need to go near the MMA department. Basically, like, we are here at Janakipuram of Dharmasagar Mandal Primary School. This is the primary school. So we are planning some events over here, and we just decided our blueprint, what we have to do, in which way we have to do the rally and all. So almost we are finalized everything, and the day after tomorrow we are going to come. It will be like 40 to 50 members. So that's done for the day, and this village is like, it's really good, and I heard that it's plastic free village.